Hi everyone, hope you guys had a good trading session today. Here's the video you've all been waiting for. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you one intraday and one positional jackpot stock for making a lot of money tomorrow. Now, for those of you who are newcomers, intraday basically means you're buying and selling the stock for the same day. A positional stock means that you're buying it for a period longer than a day. So it could be anything around a week, it could be 2 weeks, it could be a month. But generally, position stocks are held from anywhere between a few days to somewhere around a month. So let's get started. So guys, the first stock that we're going to talk about is Nestle, which is a very, very famous FMCG stock traded in India. It's broken out over a very, very important supply zone. Now, for those of you who are new to the markets, supply zone is basically the difference, the body of the last bullish candle before a bearish trend. And as we can see, this is between the levels of 17,300 and roughly 17,800. So it's, as you can see in today's movement, it's almost broken to 17,800. So an interesting pivot analysis gives a very interesting profit taking opportunity for the day. If Nestle opens above 17,340 tomorrow, my recommendation is to buy it at any price between 17,340 and 17,400 and sell it for 17,560. Now the reason why I say 17,560, as you can see guys, this is roughly near the peak of a breakout candle which forms its own supply zone before another secondary period of decline. So I'm fairly confident that if it breaks out over 17,340, which is the base of this supply zone, it's likely that it can go up to 17,560. There is no guarantee of this happening, of course, so that is why I recommend you to keep a stop loss of 17,183, which is roughly equal to the point of intersection of the primary support line with the body. So the other thing which I think you should all be warned about is that if it opens less than 16,675 and goes below 16,540, I would recommend you to avoid the stock. So guys, let's move on to the next stock. The next stock is not a day trade, it's a positional trade. So I recommend hold it for a period greater than a day. So the stock that I'm talking about is Hindustan Unilever, which is another FMCG stock. So here you can see guys, it's gone over a very important resistance point, broken out over it, roughly at a price of 2260. So if we do a pivot point analysis, we can see that the pivot is roughly 2270. So my recommendation for tomorrow is that if it opens above 2270, you can buy it and exit it at 2420. Now why am I saying 2420? Because it's the base of another important supply zone. The warning that I'm going to give you is that if it opens below 2210 and goes below 2175, I would recommend you to avoid it. Now 2210, as you can see here, is the 10 period EMA, and 2175 is a 21 period EMA, roughly the proxy for 2 weeks and monthly moving averages for the stock. So any move below this is going to signal weaknesses. So this guy concludes the technical analysis for today. Hope you have a very good trading session tomorrow, make plenty of money. Please leave a like, share, comment, and most importantly subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. Thanks.